Hi folks, and welcome back to my channel. And you probably wonder, what is D3S Shooter up to now with this trailer? Well, it's going to be something which is called Project Orange. It looks pretty good, and it is actually orange. So if you want to see more on that, keep watching this video. A little bit about the car itself. I found it on the internet, and I had a really good deal on that vehicle. So if you have really good deals, you should never leave them laying on the side. Go for it and get it. And that's what I've done. Okay, good. So we're on the way home. It's been a little bit of a drive. I think I have another 80 clicks to go. So time for a coffee. And then when we get home, we'll offload the MG and figure out what we're going to do with it. All right, guys, we're done. I got a fresh coffee, and we continue driving home. I guess another hour or so and I should be home. It's not that Belgium is that big, but sometimes it takes a while to drive.